Hi traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel, Trade with Bharat. So let's start analyzing Nifty. So yesterday Nifty closed at 11,616 and today it opened at 11,521. So it was a negative start of minus 95 points. So based on this open price, we could conclude the market will be flat. The reason is yesterday at the end of the day, buyers were very active and today it opened with a gap down where sellers were present. It shows that sellers were present. So overall, we could conclude that it might be a range-bound market, but we wanted a confirmation either from the buyer or the seller to trigger a move in one particular direction. Okay, so buyers took control initially. Also, they started moving the market and they got exhausted in this region, and immediately sellers took control and they pushed the market down. So in this region, we can say that the intraday short sellers booked their position, and later on the buyers could not manage to push it on the higher side. They struggled a lot. Sellers again pushed it on the lower side. I had posted on Twitter saying that if 11,500 is held, then it will be good. Otherwise, below this it will be weaker sign, and it can start going down further. Okay, so buyers attempted on the first time, then it was overruled by the sellers. Then again buyers were attempted to take the control, and I posted as weak below 11,500. As you can see, as soon as the market came down below 11,500, immediately a lot of buyers came in and they pushed it on the higher side. So the end of the day, it closed at a neutral view. So, or for the next trading session, that is Friday, we'll have to wait for at least 1 hour to confirm the direction. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed at 22,671 and it opened today at 22,340, a negative start of 331 points. So based on this open price, we could say that market will be a range bound market. Today's high was 22,560 and low 22,300, but in the graph it is not showing. This might be a freak trade. So the overall range of this market was 260 points, and both buyers and sellers were present, and it ended in a kind of a neutral close. So for tomorrow, I have a neutral view. We'll have to wait for at least 1 hour to understand who's taking control of the market. So maybe we can say about 22,560, 560, 64. Buyers will come and they'll start initiating long position. Below, today's low, that is 22,300. You can see some weakness and sellers going to be active, and they're going to push the market on the lower side. So second part is let's review the call which I had shared on Telegram channel. Canara Bank, it was a buy call. The buy was 100.7. Since the market opened on the lower side, the call was not triggered. Second call is Maruti. It was a buy call. 7,106 was the buy. It touched at the later, almost after 3 o'clock. So generally it is not recommended to initiate any trade that's late because we don't have much time for the market to move in our direction. So no, this call is not triggered. And next is TCS. It was a sell call, 2481. It triggered in the opening itself and it went down till 2471. Then it came back, maybe 1 or 2 points loss here. TSL would have been hit. Then later again, market came down. Since we had plenty of time, it came much before 10 o'clock and market was very weak. We could have initiated the second trade. Maybe we could have covered our brokerage and the what of the initial loss we had made. Okay. So it was overall, if you see, it's zero profit. I would consider it as. Let's move on to the third part. Third part is shortlisted stock for next trading session. First one I have shortlisted is Ashok Leyland. Though the market was very weak, this particular stock started trading in a very narrow range, did not make any much move. So in this scenario, even if tomorrow it opens on a and markets start moving on the higher side, anything above this level, it will be pretty good. Market starts and it can move up. Or if market is weak tomorrow, if Nifty starts going down, maybe with this level, it starts going down further. So it's a neutral close for Ashok Leyland. Second stock which I've shortlisted is Adani Enterprise. So here, the sellers were in control of the entire day. Or even after 12 o'clock, sellers managed to close it at the day's low. So if anything, it breaks below this level, we can say, it can go down much further. Or if something positive news is there for this particular stock, maybe around this level or maybe around this level, it can start triggering the buy. Whoever have sold in this region, they'll have to cover and this stock will move on the higher side. Third stock which I've shortlisted is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, started trading in a flat range bound, and it's a slight negative close, like for the buyers. So we can say, buyers were upper hand. Who sold in this particular region might have booked their profits here, and some might be still holding who shorted here, expecting that, if market starts going down, they'll be in profit. So anything below this level or maybe today's low, you can expect the HDFC stock to go down further. Or if any positive news, market starts reacting, who was sold in the lower levels here or maybe here, they might panic and they start covering the position, which can lead the stock to move on the higher side. Okay. So the details of entry, stop loss, and the details will be shared in the Telegram channel. For the Telegram channel link, please refer the description section. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video. Share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe for the daily analysis. Bye.